Good morning, students. Now we will move to our history chapter number 2, that is First World War and the Russian Revolution. Now, whatever you have studied up till now in 8th standard or in 9th standard, we will see that it all relates to the Indian history कि इंडिया ने कैसे अपनी फ्रीडम के लिए लड़ाई करी थी. But now these two chapters, the second chapter and the third chapter, is related to the world history. Okay, in this now we'll study the topics about the First World War and the Second World War. This chapter relates to First World War. Okay, now we will study that why First World War took place. What were the reasons behind it? इतनी बड़ी war हुई क्यों? Then what happened during this time period? जब World War चल रहा था तब क्या हुआ? And then what were the effects of the First World War? And then also कि अगर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर इतना बड़ा वॉर था, इतना डिस्ट्रक्शन था, इतने लोग मरे, then also why did the second world war took place? Okay, so here we will study all about the first and the second world war. Okay, now see the European countries. All the European countries were very rich and powerful countries at that time. Also we know how England had captured India. Okay, so these countries, European countries, were big, very powerful, and they wanted to expand their empire in Asia as well as in African countries, and they wanted to spread out their colonies. वो अपनी colonies यहाँ पे एशिया एंड अफ्रीका में बनाना चाहते थे. What did they wanted? They knew that Asia and African countries, they have got raw material. They wanted to purchase the raw material from India and bring back to their countries. They know कि हम ये करेंगे तो हमको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. So they wanted to expand their empire in Asia and Africa. Okay, and then this resulted into economic, social and cultural ruin. जब धीरे धीरे this European countries, they went on spreading their empire. Lastly what happened? जो एशियन और अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज थी उनका इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन became very poor. Then social and culturally these countries became ruined. Ruined मतलब ख़त्म होते गए. Okay, this was the result for nearly 3, 4, 500 years के बाद जब this यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ने एशिया और अफ्रीका के ऊपर पूरा कॉलोनलिज्म स्प्रेड कर दिया था, अपना कैप्चर कर दिया था उन्होंने. Now what happened? These European countries, first of all, they started colonization in their neighboring countries only. अपनी आस पड़ोस की जो छोटी छोटी कंट्रीज थी, एक पावरफुल कंट्री अपने आस पड़ोस की छोटी कंट्रीज को ही कॉलोनीज बना रही थी. Okay, now see the Spain control over Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Now Spain was a powerful country, European country. What did it do? They started having a control over Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. Then Spain captured the Portugal. Okay, स्पेन ने पूरा पोर्चुगल पे भी कैप्चर अपना कॉलोनीज बना दी, पोर्चुगल को भी कैप्चर कर दिया. व्हेन द किंग डाइड विदाउट एन हेयर, जब पोर्चुगल की किंग की डेथ हो गई विदाउट एनी हेयर मीन्स उनका कोई बेटा या कोई नहीं था पूरा संभालने के लिए, पोर्चुगल संभालने के लिए, तो देयर वाज नो किंग टू अपना पोर्चुगल को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. तो स्पेन कैप्चर्ड पोर्चुगल ऑल्सो. Now for 6 decades monopoly of Spain in non-European countries. Okay, Spain was such a powerful country that for nearly 6 decades, for nearly 60 years, Spain का rule चला. Monopoly means that country, Spain was the only country having a rule on the non-European countries. छोटे छोटे countries के ऊपर किसका rule था? Spain का, for nearly 60 years. France and Austria captured Italy and Germany. Now France was also a powerful country, Austria was also a powerful country, so they captured which countries? Italy and Germany type countries को भी. Many European nations following England made Afro-Asian countries their colonies. Okay, जैसे इंग्लैंड ने हमारे इंडिया के ऊपर कैप्चर किया था, वैसे ही बहुत सारी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज उन्होंने एशियन कंट्रीज एंड अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज के they expanded their empire. They started making their colonies over there for doing trade. Okay, see, this is colonialism in Asia. A critical look. Critical means, क्या उसमें नुकसान हो रहा था, क्यों जब भी एक बड़ी कंट्री छोटी कंट्री के ऊपर रूल कर रही है तो वी विल नॉट से कि देयर वाज समथिंग गुड इन इट, ऑलवेज वी सी कि हाँ इसमें बड़ी कंट्री क्यों ऐसा कर रही है, उससे क्या क्या नुकसान हो रहे थे. Now England, after colonizing India, expanded its empire to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore, Malaysia and China too. Now England, such a small country, if you open your atlas and see, such a small country it is, but very powerful. So England ने तो इंडिया के ऊपर पूरा अपना कब्जा जमा ही लिया था, but then they started expanding their empire to Sri Lanka, हमारे साउथ में Sri Lanka, then Myanmar, okay, that we move towards the east. तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी कंट्रीज के ऊपर भी उन्होंने कब्जा जमा कर रखा, सिंगापुर, मलेशिया एंड इवन चाइना टू. ना ओपियम ट्रेड बिटवीन इंग्लैंड एंड चाइना, ओपियम वॉज, ओके, तब वो ओपियम वॉर हुआ था बिटवीन इंग्लैंड एंड चाइना. ना व्हाट इज ओपियम? ओपियम इज सीड्स, दे आर पर्टिकुलर सीड्स, पॉपी सीड्स जिसको बोलते हैं, जिसमें से अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ ड्रग बनता है. So वो पाने के लिए there was a war between England and China, and in this war which country lost? China lost, and the 5 ports were under the capture of England. China के 5 ports ऐसे थे जहाँ पे इंग्लैंड का कब्जा हो गया when China lost the opium wars. Then Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium and America acquired trade and political rights. So we can see these were very small countries but powerful countries. तो इन countries ने भी चाइना के ऊपर they started doing trade and started capturing the smaller countries. Even China is a big country, but at that time it was not very powerful. Oil resources of West Asia attracted Europeans. Okay, हमारे एशिया में western side you will see the Arab countries. They were, even though they are desert countries, but then they were full of oil resources over there, isn't it? बहुत सारा तेल का खजाना छुपा हुआ है वहाँ पे, यहाँ पहले भी था. तो now these European countries, they were attracted towards these oil resources, and so they started capturing the West Asian part. Okay, जहाँ पे ये अरब countries हैं वहाँ पे भी उन they started making colonies. England, Germany, Russia and America established oil companies in Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. You will see all these other Western Asian countries, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, जहाँ पे तेल का बहुत बड़े बड़े resources हैं. तो now countries, European countries like England, Germany, Russia and America, they started having a rule, we can say, or making their colonies on such countries. ईरान, इराक के ऊपर भी उन्होंने colonies बनाना शुरू कर दिया. Now this was all about colonization in Asia, but now the colonization in Africa. Now in the 15th century, Dutch established its colony in South Africa. Okay, the Dutch people were the first one which established their colonies in Africa. In which century? 15th century. England and France, they made their colonies in Cape and North Africa. Okay, now people came to know कि Africa is also a vast continent. इतना बड़े continent में इतने countries में, these countries are also full of rich resources. So these European people, they started moving towards Africa also. Okay, Asia की तरफ तो आए ही, they went towards Africa. So England and France, they made their colonies in South Africa, the Cape of Good Hope, हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है, तो वहाँ पे, and North Africa में they started making their colonies. Now King Leopold of Belgium seized provinces of Congo. Belgium, again, the king of Belgium, what was his name? Leopold. Okay, he seized मतलब कब्जा कर दिया on the provinces of Congo. Congo is also a country in Africa. Then England made colonies in Egypt, East Africa and South Africa. England went on spreading their power. Okay, Egypt में eastern side and the southern side of Africa was captured by England. France made colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa. Okay, France also a strong country. उन्होंने भी कहाँ कहाँ कब्जा किया? In which countries? Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa. Germany, okay, the Germany started making colonies in East and West Africa. Italy made colonies around Red Sea. Then Spain and Portugal, okay, they made, even Portugal, weak country था उस time पे, but then also, हमने पहले in the previous we can say हमने पढ़ा कि Spain had captured Portugal. So now Spain and Portugal together, they made some provinces or captured some provinces of Africa. Then after this, a conference was held in Berlin, okay, in the year 1884 and 85, and in that so many countries participated. And what was the main, why this conference was being held? कि how they want to expand their empire, कैसे हम colonies establish करते जाएं, ये मुद्दे पे बात करने के लिए a conference was held in Berlin. Hence European dominance over African countries. So this way the European countries went on dominating, capturing the African countries also. On the other side, Germany and Italy, they joined hands together. Germany और Italy के बीच में दोस्ती हो गई. They joined hands together and there was a political unification. Unification means they joined hands, united. Germany and Italy were united. Germany plunged in competition of industrialization, commercialization and colonization. Okay, Germany, it came into competition. धीरे धीरे Germany strong बनता जा रहा था. उसमें नई नई इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलप हो रही थी, उसका कॉमर्स एंड ट्रेड एस्टैब्लिश हो रहा था, आगे बढ़ रहा था. एंड जर्मनी ऑल्सो स्लोली they went on colonizing the other smaller countries. Okay, so exploitation of countries, सब जगह the powerful countries were capturing the smaller countries, and this way this led to the first world war. The smaller countries were so much fed up, इतना सब टेंशन्स क्रिएट हो रहे थे अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. एक कंट्री दूसरे कंट्री के ऊपर कब्जा कर रहा है, उनका सामान खरीद रहे हैं एट द वेरी लो रेट्स. द पीपल वर टॉर्चर्ड ओवर देयर, द इकोनॉमी वेंट डाउन, isn't it? So because of all these tensions going around, this led to the First World War. Okay, this was the situation before, we can say, the First World War. Okay, now in this small video I have covered the first page of your this chapter, that is page number 10. Okay, go through the paragraphs, and nearly all the paragraphs I have made point words. So if you want to write down the answers, you can cover the same points what I have written in this video. Okay children, go through the page. Thank you. Have a nice day.